Alright, today we are going to be installing a dance pool, and this is what we have. Top part, pool extenders, bottom part, and tools. Let's get started. We're gonna get this small piece and just put it on there. You are gonna get this tool and make sure you adjust it. Then we're doing the extender and put it right on top of that one. And again, you're gonna use this tool to tighten it. We're getting number 4 and place it on there.
Behind me are the all-new and most popular 2025 Winnebago RVs.
All right, we got number 4. Next is number 5. The number says right there, just look for a little red sticker. So now we're gonna get this piece. We're gonna put it over. And that was part of the other small piece that faltaba. Then we're gonna put this one on there. Okay, it's on there. Now I'm going to put it like where I want it at. So now just adjust it to where you want it at. This is good. Just in case I need a kick somewhere. I have it here. Because I have a door right here and then this wall. Should be good. No, quebrar la cabeza. Alright. Right there is good. And just adjust it this way. And you're just gonna be twisting until it doesn't twist anymore. Watch. Keep twisting until it fully adjusts to the ceiling. So this one, you are gonna tighten it as much as you can. So I already tightened that. Then I am going to bring this piece up. Connect it right there. And screw it. Final and last step, you are going to unscrew the very bottom so that way it can move. So I already did it here. I unscrew it and take it out, and your pool can now freely pool. It's all set.